Niit ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na di niya titigilan ang kampanya kontra droga kahit pakaliwat kanan ang puna sa kanya tungkol dito. Kabilang na po sina US President Barack Obama at UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon. Balitang hatid ni Tina Panganiban Perez.
Sa talumpati ni Pangulong Duterte matapos panumpain sa tungkulin ng mga bago niyang appointee, sinabi niyang marami pa raw puwersa ang Amerika sa Mindanao at kailangan na raw nilang umalis.
Kaya yung mga special forces, they have to go. They have to go in Mindanao. Maraming mga puti doon, they have to go. Re-eroon ko yung foreign policy. Hindi ko lang masalita noon out of respect or I do not want a rift with America.
Ayon sa AFP Western Mindanao Command, ang mga Amerikanong sundalo sa Zamboanga ay nagsasagawa ng observation, training at military exercises sa mga sundalong Pinoy.
As long as we stay with America, we will never have peace in that time. Might as well give it up. Give it an independent. But, mas lalong iinit. Makakita ng Amerikano yan, patayin talaga yan. Kukunan ng ransom yan, patayin.
Binalikan din ni Duterte ang Budaho Massacre sa Holosulu noong 1906 kung saan maraming Moro ang pinatay ng mga Amerikano. Tangan pa ni Duterte ang litrato na ipinakita niya kina US President Obama at ibang leader sa ASEAN Summit kung saan kita ang mga Amerikanong sundalo noon na nakapose sa gitna ng mga patay. Di man lang daw nagsusori pa ang Amerika sa naturang massacre pero nakikialam sa kampanya kontra droga.
Hindi ako nag-intriga sa inyo. Ang akin lang kasi, ang Amerika, napaka-hipokrito. They know, actually know that I have a serious problem here. 3 million plus for the Philippines. 4 million for Widodo of Indonesia. Ang drug lords dito, hindi atin. In check. And they are now operating outside. They have this digital map of the Philippines.
Muli niyang sinabi, di niya minura si US President Barack Obama.
Ang sinabi kong minura ko siya, I swear to Allah, I never mention his name. But they responded hurting words. You know, Mr. Obama, when you accuse me of killing, which you do not have also the facts anyway, with a legitimately killed in an encounter with the police, or those simply murdered by their cohorts, wala kang ipinakita.
Ang sinisisi niya nagpalaki ng issue,
sumakay itong si Obama, sumakay si Ban Ki-moon. Dito sumakay. Alam mo kung ninong laro ito? Oo, nga ako lang sabihin. Yellow yan. They can think that if they can build a case against me, I'll be impeached. In this quest of mine, I am prepared to lose my honor, my life, and the presidency. The budget that we are working on now is the frame budget that was prepared the previous year by the Aquino. Wala namang nakita doon danger about drugs because nobody, until I became president, that the naked truth came out, that we are really a drug country.
Muling nanindigan si Duterte na hindi niya titigilan ang kampanya kontra droga.
I do not promise you perfect peace because this is not heaven, but I commit myself to do everything not to compromise the next generation.
Tina Panganiban Perez, GMA News.